Namaskar, I am Sunny. We are here to participate in the activity My India, My Bharat. Our topic is Subhash Chandra Bose ji. Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian nationalist.
He was leader of Indian Army.
He was born in a rich family in Cuttack, Odisha.
Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897.
His father Janakinath Bose was a great lawyer.
He got his primary education in Cuttack.
He went to Cambridge University for higher education.
He was bachelor degree in philosophy.
He was nine child age parents.
Subhash Chandra Bose passed the ICS exam in 1920.
He left candidacy 1921.
His brother always support him.
His brother Sarat Chandra Bose was also a famous lawyer.
Subhash joined non-cooperation movement.
He was Bharat Chittaranjan Das.
Subhash Chandra Bose was a great leader of Bengali politician.
He became journalist of Bengal.
First time he went to jail in 1921.
In 1924, he became the CEO at present Mayor of Bengal Municipal Corporation.
He went to Japan.
He returns to in Bengal 1927.
Subhash Chandra Bose was elected the president of Bengal Congress.
He opposed thinking of Gandhiji.
He went to Europe for medical treatment in 1931 to 34.
He also went to Europe from 1936 to 1937.
He talked about India in Japan.
He met Elsie in Vienna in 1934.
Henley was his personal secretary.
He married to 1937.
His daughter name is Anita.
He became the Congress president in 1938.
Bose had negative non-violence.
He founded Forward Bloc.
Subhash Chandra Bose was not satisfied thought of Mahatma Gandhi, so he resigned the Congress party.
He reached Germany.
He established Azad Hind Radio.
There he met Adolf Hitler.
He went to villages.
He came to move in Japan.
He went to Indonesia.
In the help of Japanese, he revolted in Azad Hind Fauj.
INA comprised Indian prison for war captured by Japan.
But Japanese were not think that he was an military skilled person. So his soldier age was short time.
He loved our country.
He chose to seek in future in Soviet Union.
He believed in Bhagavad Gita.
He wanted complete freedom of India.
He believed that on indigenous socialism.
National construction was his political ideology.
He fought against British.
He does not believe in non-violence.
He supported the Indian movement to encourage and in favor of environment
He,
of
su-
movement.
he supported secular India.
He also supported democratic ideas.
His famous slogan was, "Give me blood, I'll give you the freedom, complete freedom."
He also slogan Delhi Chalo.
He was famous slogan Jai Hind.
His leadership was based on a strong vision.
He was the national hero of Indian freedom.
The message of Bose was very loud and clear. Freedom is not given, it is taken.
He also said, "It is the greatest crime to bear the injustice and unfair." Thank you.
Thank you.